Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. Technology today has positive and negative influences. In my community, technology has changed and improved people's lives. For example, through the internet, people often can be aware of the quality of the land. How much water they consuming, among other variables. And on the other hand, the quality of life of the elderly and people with disabilities has improved. The technology has become indispensable at work and in every aspect of life. Positive aspect. We can shorten to the distance with relatives and we can from work from home. This is the opportunity to study and work. And others positive aspect in interacting and learning from home. Negative aspects. People depend on technological gadgets. The excessive use of technology has caused several health problems. Tendency to the social isolation. Discourage physical activity, and we are increasingly exposed to cybercrime. Thank you.